Hello and welcome to English 2. I'm your online teacher, Miss Abear. We have been working on a Common Lit unit about the fashion industry from past to present, and we have been digging into some research so that we can write an expository essay at the end of this unit. The last time that we met together, we took a vocabulary quiz, which I hope you guys did really well on, and we began preparing for a classroom discussion. And so before we dig into that classroom discussion, I do want to remind you that this is part of the 360 curriculum, and this is Common Lit's Unit 4, the fashion industry, past to present. And today, our research question is Francis Cabot Lowell had a utopian vision for a factory that would make profits for the owners while also improving the lives of workers. What was his vision? And then to what extent has his vision been realized since its inception? And as I talked about, we are going to just do a discussion today, a complete discussion. Your teacher should have gone over the protocols for the classroom discussion and given you those protocols so that you know kind of what those rules are for that discussion. And so there are lots of different options that he or she could have chosen, but you should have those by now. You should also have your notes that you finished yesterday in class for your classroom discussion. And so I'm going to move fast to the next slides so that you can dig right into this classroom discussion. I want you to have the most time that you possibly can for this unit. So I want you to remember to take notes during the discussion. You have lots of space on your worksheet in front of you, but also if you need additional space, get out that notebook paper and be ready so that you can have an effective discussion so that it's easier for you when we get to the end for you to write this essay, because the more that you have a discussion, the better that essay is going to be. That is all that I have for you today, because I want you to talk. I want you to talk about this essay. I want you to talk about all this research that you've put together, all of the work so far that you have put into this research, preparing you for this end of the unit task. Until next time, happy learning and happy discussing today.